Happy Sunday, folks! This is Blue Lightning AI Daily for Sunday, August 31st, 2025. I'm Zane, and today's episode was made with Microsoft Vibe Voice 7B. Sounds crispy? Pippa, bring the bananas.
Hey, we're peeling into Nano Banana. Sorry, I had to. I'm Pippa, and we're talking about the meme that became a model, Google's high-consistency image engine inside Gemini that creators won't shut up about.
Same. Big picture. Axios reports that image generation and multi-step editing are now live inside the Gemini app, with a focus on likeness stability and watermarking. That's the why now.
And just to translate, you can generate an image and then do step-by-step edits without your character turning into a new person every prompt. Fewer retries, fewer headaches. Source shout, Axios' piece this week.
Also, Business Standard and Google's own developer blog pin this to Gemini 2.5 Flash image, the tech that the internet nicknamed Nano Banana. It's fast and it keeps faces and scenes consistent.
Consistency is the superpower, full stop. Creators are posting before-after carousels, same person, same lighting, different outfits or backgrounds. It's giving series-ready instead of lottery ticket.
Let's break what changed. Historically, iterative edits drift. Hairline moves, earrings vanish, the product label gets weird. With Nano Banana, identity and scene stay locked across multi-step edits. That's the claim, and the demos are strong.
Who's it for? If you do image work, photos, product shots, character sheets, thumbnails, this hits. Also marketing teams doing colorways and seasonal variants, and indie studios doing look dev for characters. Oh, and everyday users messing with vacation pics, obvi.
Workflow impact. Wardrobe swaps, background replacements, lighting tweaks without re-sculpting the person or the set every time. That cuts retouch time and approvals. Fewer can you just make version 12 match version 2? Emails.
Ha, trauma unlocked. And availability matters. Axios says it's in the consumer Gemini app. Developers get access via Google's stacked Gemini API, AI Studio, Vertex AI, per Business Standard, and Google's dev blog.
Pricing signals for devs. Google's blog pegs output at token-based pricing around $30 per million output tokens. Business coverage estimates roughly 1,290 tokens per image, so about 4 cents a shot. Budgetable.
4 cents to keep your character consistent? If that holds, that's spicy for teams churning dozens of variants a day. Also, OpenArt spun up a dedicated Nano Banana page. Browser-based, prompt-to-image plus editing. Easy on-ramp.
Yep. OpenArt gives creators a low-friction way to try it without mucking through API keys. That accelerates adoption, get results, then decide if you need deeper integration.
Let's talk social vibe. It's trending because the outputs are easy to compare. A/B tests, carousels, banana emojis everywhere. Before-after proof beats hype. The internet's like, I'm not arguing, just look.
And the tough cases are getting stress-tested in public hands. Reflective surfaces, small text, product labels. That feedback loop is pushing quick UI tweaks and better prompt controls to lock identity.
It's not magic. Tiny text can still wobble, and some reflections get uncanny. But sentiment's positive. Faster approvals, fewer do-overs. People like tools that don't fight them.
Safeguards matter here. Business Standard flags visible watermarks plus invisible synth ID style signals. That's good for newsrooms and brands trying to keep disclosure clean.
Right, like Adobe's Content Credentials Vibe, mark the provenance. If you're a publisher, a visible stamp plus an embedded signal keeps the lawyers and platforms chill.
What about alternatives? Midjourney has powerful style refs and character workflows, but identity can still drift between prompts. Adobe Firefly is tight for photo-y edits with provenance baked in. Ideogram crushes typography. Different lanes.
This one's lane is speed plus stability, inside a mainstream app. That's why it's hitting. My mom can open Gemini and edit a portrait without wrecking the face. And a brand can wire the same model into a pipeline via Vertex AI. Distribution.
For creators, here's how to use it today. If you're casual, open Gemini, generate, then do multi-step edits like change jacket to red, add golden hour lighting, keep the same person, watch stability across steps.
If you're a team, template your prompts. Keep the same identity descriptors and scene anchors in each edit. Name, age, camera angle, lighting, lens. Be boring and consistent, your outputs won't be.
Developers think batch pipelines. Feed product SKUs, apply colorways, swap backgrounds to on-brand scenes, export with watermarks. Token-based pricing makes per-image forecasting straightforward.
And if you're comparing tools, do a stress board. Same prompts across Nano Banana, Midjourney, Firefly. Test hands, small text, jewelry, glass reflections, and a 5-step edit chain. Pick what breaks least for your use case.
Caveats. Watermarking is part of the deal. If you need unmarked images for certain pipelines, plan policies accordingly. Also, the model still may garble tiny type or microscopic logos. Ideogram might win there.
Also watch for over-eager neatness. Some high-consistency models can smooth out grit you actually wanted. If your brand likes texture or film grain, add that back in your finishing pass.
Why this is news. Reliability resets expectations. The internet is used to amazing one-offs. This is about repeatability. Series hold together. That's the difference between a demo and a deliverable.
And the meme helps. Nano Banana is sticky. It's fun to say, it's easy to compare, and it lowers the barrier for people to try it. Internet language really be product market fit sometimes.
Quick source roll. Axios confirms image gen and multi-step editing in the Gemini app, plus the stability and watermarking focus. Business Standard covers developer access and watermark policy. Google's developer blog details the 2.5 flash image model and token pricing. OpenArt has the dedicated page to try it in the browser.
So where do you start today? Option 1, Gemini app on web or mobile. Option 2, OpenArt's Nano Banana page for a lightweight test. Option 3, DevRoute Gemini API, AI Studio, or Vertex AI for automation.
What would you use it for first, Pippa?
Character sheets. Lock the face and do outfits, lighting, and props for a mini lookbook. Then thumbnails for YouTube. Same host, different backdrops and text plates. Less whiplash per thumbnail.
I'd do product colorways, same setup, different fabrics or finishes, and a seasonal background set. And yeah, approvals should move faster if the face never drifts.
Oh, tip for speed. Do your identity-stable base image once, then edit from that image instead of reprompting from scratch. Less drift. Keep your seed or project state if the tool exposes it.
Good call. And for teams that need compliance, keep the visible watermark on for public comps, then rely on the invisible signal for internal routing. It keeps trust high.
We should say, creators are already doing real-time ABs on socials. If you post yours, tag the tough cases hands, labels, reflections, and note the prompt chain. That helps the community map strengths and limits faster.
And if you're coming from our recent blog posts on style consistency and disclosure, this sits right between them. It's a practical path, consistent outputs with traceability.
Final vibe check. Nano Banana crossed from meme to market. It's not the only option, but it's accessible, fast, and consistent enough that creators are actually shipping with it. That matters.
All right, we're out of time. This was Blue Lightning AI Daily for Sunday, August 31st, 2025, brought to you with Microsoft Vibe Voice 7B, links and sources, Axios, Business Standard, Google Developers Blog, and OpenArt.
Thanks for listening. Hit bluelightningtv.com for news, updates, and video tutorials on your favorite AI tools. We've got breakdowns, side-by-sides, and all the what should I use for X answers.
Subscribe, share with a creator friend, and we'll see you tomorrow. Go make something consistent and a little bananas.